Welcome to our latest review on the best eco-friendly laundry detergents for 2024. Today, we're diving into some top picks for environmentally conscious laundry solutions. This article, written by Saba Sharifai at Today Decision, covers a range of products that excel in sustainability, performance, and user satisfaction. First up, we have the True Earth Compact Dry Laundry Detergent Sheets. These compact, travel-friendly sheets are perfect for those needing space-saving solutions without compromising on cleaning power. True Earth's detergent sheets are gentle on sensitive skin, vegan-friendly, and free from parabens. Their eco-friendly design significantly reduces carbon footprints and eliminates plastic waste, making them easy to handle and store, especially for people with arthritis. Customers love how effectively True Earth sheets clean and brighten clothes while being gentle on sensitive skin. However, some note that the sheets can struggle with heavily soiled laundry. This product is great for those who need an eco-friendly, space-saving detergent solution, especially those with sensitive skin or who travel frequently. Next is the Tide PurClean Liquid Laundry Detergent, the most sustainable option on our list. Tide PurClean is the first detergent with 75% plant-based ingredients, certified by the EPA Safer Choice. It's free from dyes, perfumes, chlorine, phosphates, and optical brighteners, making it safe for sensitive skin and babies. This detergent is produced in a facility powered by 100% renewable wind energy and generates zero landfill waste. Customers appreciate its effective cleaning power and gentle formula suitable for sensitive skin. However, some miss having a scented option for their laundry. Perfect for those who need a reliable, eco-friendly detergent that's gentle on the skin and safe for the environment. Our third pick is Drops Active Wash Laundry Detergent Pods, the best option for odor control. These pods are great for sportswear, effectively removing body odor and sweat while protecting the fabric. Made with 55% natural ingredients, they are gentle on clothes and safe for sensitive skin. Each pod is pre-measured, spill-free, and easy to use, suitable for all washing machines and effective in all water temperatures, including cold cycles. Customers praise the detergent's odor control and eco-friendly packaging. However, some find the price higher compared to other brands. Ideal for athletes and those needing advanced odor control, as well as eco-conscious consumers looking for low-waste packaging solutions. Fourth on our list are the 7th generation laundry detergent packs, the best enzyme-powered option. These packs use a strong formula with 4 enzymes to fight tough stains and keep clothes fresh. They are great for people with sensitive skin, free from fragrances, dyes, or artificial brighteners. Additionally, they are EPA Safer Choice certified, making them a safe and eco-friendly choice. Customers find these packs effective in cleaning and suitable for sensitive skin. Some users, however, miss having a scented detergent. Perfect for those needing a powerful stain-fighting detergent that's safe for sensitive skin and environmentally friendly. Lastly, we have Method Liquid Laundry Detergent, known for its ultra-concentrated formula. This detergent is highly efficient, using only a quarter of the usual amount needed by other brands. It's effective in both high-efficiency HE and standard washing machines and works well in any water temperature, including cold. Customers commend its effective cleaning with minimal detergent and its hypoallergenic formula. However, some find the small 20-ounce bottle insufficient for their needs. Great for those who need an ultra-concentrated, hypoallergenic detergent that works well in any washing machine. That's our top 5 picks for the best eco-friendly laundry detergents of 2024. If you want to dive deeper into the terminology, technical specifications, and more product details, visit the article page on our website titled The Best Eco-Friendly Laundry Detergents.